What is next for Bitcoin? Well, it's Sunday. It's rainy outside. Let's get into some analysis early on this Sunday morning. Grab yourself a nice cup of Joe and let's get right into it. So if you follow me or have been following me or seen my videos, you know exactly what I've been thinking since last week. We've had this ABCDE triangle for the wave 4, followed by the breakout wave 1. We're in a 2 right now. Could the 2 be in or see more corrective movements up and down? Sure, but for my thesis, I am thinking we're in a wave 1, wave 2, and we're waiting for this wave 3 lower, followed by a wave 4 bounce and a wave 5 to complete this larger structure of this correction, which will finalize our wave C, and then we'll see some upside. Currently, we're just kind of in a waiting pattern right now. There's really not been a lot of movement over the weekend. It's kind of been choppy all weekend, which further convicts me that it is corrective, because typically the way that markets move, it's either corrective or impulsive. In corrective movements, it's very choppy. It takes a long time. And in impulsive movements, it's very fast, very sharp, either downward or upward. We had this sharp wave 1 out of the ABCD triangle. We have this like really choppy corrective structure, wave 2. We should see one more impulse down, choppy corrective, and then one last impulse to complete this larger wave C. Once that's complete, we should see impulses to the upside, and that's when you're going to see these big, large wicks to the upside. My base case target, again, is 150. I've been saying that since last week. We'll evaluate, obviously, once we get more price action, and that can adjust. Could it get extended? Could it get shortened? Sure. But until we see price action, it's really kind of hard to tell. A lot of it's just hypotheticals based on Elliott wave theory and fib extensions. For me right now, that sits at 150. We could see an extension of 180, potentially 200, but only time will tell. But again, if you're unsure about where the market is potentially moving, have a plan. For me, it's Elliott wave theory, and it's been serving me pretty well. I am currently in a Bitcoin short right now. I posted that last week, so I entered in on this wave 2 pullback, still waiting for the wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5 to take profits.